Most AI notebook tools still feel like smart folders with better marketing. You upload some documents, ask a few questions, maybe generate a summary or even a podcast, and for a moment it feels impressive. But the second your actual workflow depends on live email, today's calendar, project tickets, changing docs, and input from other people, that whole experience starts to feel limited. It stops being a true workspace and starts feeling like a static demo. That is where SurfSense gets interesting, because SurfSense is not really trying to be just another document chatbot. Its pitch is much bigger than that. The idea is to create one AI workspace where your files, live tools, team context, and daily briefings can all exist together. So instead of treating AI like something you visit after collecting context manually, SurfSense tries to become the place where that context is already connected and usable. And that difference matters. The real problem most people have is not understanding one PDF. It is that the information they need is scattered everywhere. Part of it is in Gmail. Part of it is in Google Drive. Some of it lives in Notion, GitHub, Jira, Linear, or the calendar. Then there are random links, meeting notes, and documents somebody shared 5 minutes ago. So the average workday starts with too many tabs, too much copy-pasting, and no real confidence that the summary you are looking at is even current. SurfSense feels like someone looked at that chaos and decided the AI should sit on top of the workflow, not beside it. The main setup is straightforward. You create what SurfSense calls a search space, connect the tools you already use, choose the model you want running underneath, and then start chatting with that environment as one living knowledge base. Not just uploaded files, not just saved notes, your actual workflows. And the most practical use case is probably the easiest one to understand. Imagine it is early in the morning. Instead of opening your inbox, checking your calendar, scanning Jira, and then trying to mentally combine all of that, you connect Gmail, Google Calendar, and Jira or Linear into the same search space. Then you ask SurfSense to produce one clear briefing: important emails, meetings that matter, blocked tickets, urgent work, and anything likely to interrupt your day. Then, on top of that, you turn the whole thing into a short podcast-style audio summary for your commute. That is not just a neat AI trick. That is a real workflow improvement. What makes it more useful is that SurfSense is designed around live sources, not just frozen uploads. If connectors are re-indexing frequently, the workspace can stay current enough to reflect changes that happened recently, like a new email, a calendar update, or a ticket that suddenly became urgent. That freshness is a major difference between something that feels like research support and something that starts to feel operational. Another reason SurfSense stands out is scale. A lot of notebook-style AI products still feel constrained by source limits, as if you are constantly trying to squeeze your work into small containers. SurfSense feels more like a real workspace, where the question changes from "which files do I upload?" to "what should this whole environment include?" That shift is much more useful for researchers, teams, agencies, founders, and people managing complex projects across multiple tools. Then there is team collaboration. This is one of the areas where many AI tools still break down. One person gets an answer, then copies it into chat, explains the context manually, asks for feedback, and the original thread of thinking gets lost. SurfSense tries to solve that by letting people work inside shared search spaces, shared chats, and real-time collaboration flows, so the conversation can happen next to the AI output instead of outside it. My honest takeaway is that SurfSense makes the most sense when your work is already spread across too many systems for a simple AI notebook to keep up. If all you need is basic chat over a few documents, there are simpler tools. But if you want one place where docs, tools, models, teammates, and live context come together, SurfSense starts to feel like something more important. Not just a smarter folder, more like a real knowledge workspace.